Ụwa bụ ahịa, onye zụcha ọla. Ụwa bụ ahịa, onye zụcha ọla.
The earth is metamorphosized as a marketplace. So this is one very strong Igbo proverb that is always put to thought. To go to a market, we always have to make a journey, and we also come back from that journey. And it also involves us coming to this world and from somewhere, and we also go to somewhere. So it means we don't just come into existence just like that. So it came from somewhere and we're going somewhere. So from delivery, conception, reproduction, growing up in the womb, to when we're born, when we grow up as humans. So it's also assumed that we are into transaction, or transacting something with something. So that's life. So everything we're doing, from going to school, getting married, working, having children, all the process of life are all transactions. It's all a journey. So it's like we came to the market to buy something, and after buying we go. So after all our journey here on earth, we are going back to somewhere where we came from. And this is death. Coming from somewhere, birth, and going back to somewhere, that's death. So this is a very perfect way to put our coming and going back to life in a perfect imagery as buying and selling in the market. So the journey to the market has a purpose, or it is dependent on the purpose of going. So the person that goes to the market or has gone to the market needs to go home, and must go home when the transactions are over. The transactions cannot last forever, so there must be a certain point where it's going to end. So, and that is the part where death comes in, the end of every transaction. So rich or poor, no matter whoever we are, we always have the end of our transactions on earth. So it's better for us to live wisely and do good while we're still transacting here on earth. Ụwa bụ ahịa, onye zụcha ọla.